Hello, boys and girls. Guess who your mystery reader is today? I've chosen a book, and it's called Woodpecker Wants a Waffle. It has beautiful illustrations, and I hope you enjoy the story. One morning, Benny awoke to the best tummy rumbling smell. So off he flew to investigate. WAFFLE, he read. What in the world is a waffle? The waffles smelled good. The waffles looked good. The waffles must taste good too, thought Benny. I want waffles, Benny declared. Benny politely pecked on the front door. Tap, tap, tap. But instead of waffles, he got the boot. Next, he tried to sneak in. But instead of waffles, Benny got swept away. Benny tried a number of creative disguises. He tried to be a health inspector at the restaurant. He wanted to scare the people at the restaurant. Hopla la tutti frutti. He tried to look like a baby with a pacifier. Oh, and this is a good one. He pretended to be a carton of milk. But instead of waffles, he was tossed, poof, in the trash. What are you doing? Asked Bunny. I'm wishing for waffles, said Benny. The animals started laughing. That is ridiculous, Bunny said. One by one, the other animals chimed in. Raccoons don't eat ravioli. Moose don't eat muffins. Frogs don't eat fries. Ribbit. Lizards don't eat lasagna. Owls don't eat oatmeal. Bears don't eat bagels. Chipmunks don't eat cheeseburgers. Turtles don't eat turnovers. Hawks don't eat hot dogs. Skunks don't eat scones. Coyotes don't eat cupcakes. Snakes don't eat snow cones. And woodpeckers don't eat waffles. Well, why not? Benny asked. Why not? The animals grumbled, chirped, croaked, and whispered. They thought and thought and thought and thought. Because I said so, said Bunny. I really don't have time for this said so nonsense, Benny said impatiently. Benny got right to work, devising a plan to get some waffles. First, I will shoot out a cannon. Boom! then hit the ground, juggling, doo-doo-doo, and then a moonwalk, and then breakdance, and followed by a stand-up comedy act with a watermelon, and a Broadway-style finale featuring da-da-dum-da-dum, fireworks. The animals were speechless, so Benny was sure he heard some, well, snickering. See you all tomorrow. Don't be late. The next morning, the animals gathered in the field by the diner to catch Benny's big show. No one was late. No one except Benny. As the animals waited patiently for Benny to arrive, the waitress in the diner noticed something odd. The customers noticed something strange too. Everyone at the diner stepped outside to look at the animals. That's when Benny made his move. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Oh, sweet, sad Benny. I hope you liked the story today. What did you learn from the story? Did bunnies said so stop Woodpecker from chasing his dream of eating waffles? Until the next time, have a good day.